name's Rafi.
My name is
And I am 3 years old.
And I am 3 years old.
Woohoo! Right, so we are going to start by practicing your kicking. So, when you kick, legs must be straight, toes are down, and you do a floppy kick. Now, Rafi has been learning to kick since he was 3 months old, so you are pretty amazing at kicking, aren't you? Right, so we have been practicing putting his head in the water, and now Rafi can take a big breath and look down. Take a really big breath and look at the floor. That's it, really good. Now blow it out, good job. So what you want to try and get your child to do is turn their head and look at the floor. Take a big breath, look at the floor. Right, Rafi, ready? Take a big breath, look at the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and blow. Okay? Right, one more time. Rafi, take a big breath and look down. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now blow. Well done. That was really good. Take a big breath. Look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing. Then the next thing you want to do is arms straight, head in the water. He's going to look down and he is going to kick. Right, ready? Take a big breath. Look down, kick to the wall. Go. Kick, 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 kick. Good job, Raf. And again, look down, kick to mommy. This way. Look down, kick to mommy. That's it, good boy. High five, that was really good. That's it, good job, Rafi. Okay, now, I want you to try and see if you can get from here with your arms really straight like Superman, all the way to the wall. Take a really big breath. Swim to the wall, go. Yay, good job, Rafi. Come here, bud. Come here. Now, we're gonna practice. Come here. Rafi, now we're going to practice picking up the rings. Quick breath, come here please. Right, so you can get some of these sinker rings and you drop them down and you practice holding their breath going to pick them up. That's it, really, really good. Okay, ready? Put them on the floor. Put them on the floor. Okay, take a big breath. Go get them, Bubs. That's it. Take a big breath. Go get it, Bubs. Good job. And again, take a big breath. Good job, Rafi. That's it, last one. Go get it, Bubs. Well done, Angel Pie. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do. Right, so now you're going to put your arms out. Open your legs and you're going to just stay really, really still. Okay, so arms like this. Your legs are going to be really wide open. Open, stay like a starfish. All right, take a really big breath. Look down and hold your breath. Look down. Stay still. 1, 2, 3. Good job, baby. We're going to do that 2 more times. 2 more times. All right, arms out, legs straight. Take a big breath. Look down, look down. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Rafi. All right, arms out. Look up. Just stay really still. No kicking. Just breathe. Just breathe, don't move. Just keep looking at mommy. Don't move. Look at mommy. Breathe. Look up. Stay still. Don't move. Don't move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Well Hi, done. My name is Raphael.
My name is Raphael.
And I am 3 years old.
And I am 3 years old.
Okay.